In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product galleries on WordPress.com. Whether you're looking to enhance your online store's visuals or showcase multiple views of your products, a product gallery is a fantastic way to engage your visitors. Let's dive in and see how you can set this up seamlessly on your WordPress site. First, let's navigate to WordPress.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll want to do that now. You can simply search for WordPress.com login on your preferred search engine and click on the link that takes you to the WordPress.com login page. Enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, it's time to head over to the WordPress dashboard. This is where you have all the control over your site. After you're settled into your dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand side menu. Look for the Products tab. This is where all the magic happens for managing your product listings. Once you've found it, go ahead and give it a click. You'll now see various options related to your products. We are particularly interested in adding photos to your product listings, so click on whichever product type you're working with. You should now be on the page where you can edit your product details. This is where you'll have the opportunity to add a gallery. Keep an eye out for the Product Gallery section, usually located somewhere towards the bottom of the page. Beneath this section, you'll find a button labeled Add Product Gallery Images. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open up your media library. Here, you'll have the opportunity either to upload new images that you've prepared or choose from images that have already been uploaded to your media files. Consider how you would like your products to look from various angles or in different settings, and select images that best represent this. Once you've selected the ones you want, click on Select to add them to your product gallery. And there you have it. You've successfully added a gallery to your product page. Before you move on, it might be a good idea to preview the page to make sure everything looks perfect. The gallery images should now be visible on your product detail page, enhancing the visual appeal of your products and offering your customers a more detailed look at what you have to offer. Adding galleries can greatly improve the personalization and depth of your product pages. Now your customers can see every detail they need to make a purchase decision. Congratulations on enhancing your WordPress website with beautiful product galleries.